Okay, welcome back and hello again for today. Today we will have a short time about our game development video log. Actually, yesterday I wanted to record a video, but I did not manage to find time in order to record any video. So today I will continue on this journey, and sorry for yesterday, but today I guess will be a good day. So anyway, let's just jump start into this game, and let's continue, and let's try to complete maybe this game in the near future, because today is the day 64, if I remember correctly, and I'm still struggling with the same issues. I'm still struggling with the same problem that I should resolve, that I should not face at the beginning. So let's go and let's see where we left off, and I just want to open this to-do list here. As I remember, I have already finished this chapter 1, and yes, in chapter 2, level and positive and level and negative is not working. Let's first look at that section. Let's press new game and refresh file list for chapter 2. The time scale to 9. Make slider. So slow. And nothing happened. Is there anything about negative level and negative? Nothing in here. So let's check it. Let's check the main script. Chapter 2. And negative level and negative should be negative. And where did you change this to chapter and negative? In which line my code changes this GUI state to chapter and negative? Check if mode needs something. Find the timer slider. If timer slider gets slider value equals to 0, change chapter and condition. How about this log? Nothing. Timer slider, get timer slider. Yes, this is my timer slider. Turn to GUI in here, and this is my timer slider in here. Oh, so I see that there is no update loop, because I forgot to add this in here. Okay, just directly copy this, and let's just go to our chapter 2, find the timer slider in chapter 2. Yes, chapter and condition is happened. No worries, we don't get it right. Even heroes have setbacks. Let's try again. Oh, this is fast. Really fast. Digest this thing, digest that, digest it, and these two. I needed to digest the red one, I need to digest the yellow one. So, great job, but active, it does not change chapter and condition. If all of these renders, check if mode needs something. This is my update loop, and inside my update loop, chapter 2 is started, timer slider starting to decrease the value, and if chapter and condition is met, chapter and positive should be called, and set this to return. Actually, this do chapter and positive should not be called. I needed to change the GUI state to chapter and positive. Then when the chapter and positive is called, I needed to do chapter and positive in here. So let's try it again. Go to my save manager, refresh file list, chapter 2, Go selected files, find my time scale. Okay, yellow, digest, red, digest, yellow, digest, red, digest, yellow, digest, no, green, digest, green, digest. Great job, you successfully used the right enzymes and break down all the nutrients. Great, timer slider. And the value dropping is set to false. What happens if I press the next button? It changes to chapter 3. Nice, it was nice. So chapter and negative condition, and where are you to-do list? In chapter 2, chapter and on level and positive and on level and negative is working, I can say it, and pop-up sections are also not working. Let's also investigate these pop-up sections. So what about the pop-up sections? Carbs collected, fat collected, protein collected. And where are these things are called? These statements are called collected. Do one protein collected. Okay. On protein object is grabbed. Where do the if object contains protein, and this should be called lipid nutrients, carb nutrients, protein nutrients. Okay, this is good. It looks like it should work, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have already called 6 of them. Name is, if name contains name is carb nutrients, for example, this should be called chapter 2 carb text should be called on object, carb object is grabbed, carbohydrates object is grabbed. Let's just debug log. This carbohydrate object is grabbed. New game, save manager, go to chapter 2 and fast forward it. Find the carbohydrate object, digest. Yes, this is called. This line is called. We in that state, and this carbohydrate after this is called. This line is called. It starts do one carb object collected. Okay. This is not running because when the switch statement entered into this coroutines, it does not call for this do or after collectible is grabbed section. So on object grabbed. This is called when the object is grabbed. Chapter 2 collectible text. Collectible call counts thing. Where do I use this collectible text? So after collectible grabbed. Okay, let's just try it this way. Set it to 9, go to save manager, refresh file list, to okay. What's wrong with it? New game, refresh file list, chapter 2. Yes, now go to the app, set the time scale to 9. Yes, right now it looks like it's working. Go to another carbohydrates, digest it. But the position of this position of the text is not in correct position. It should be above certain level because it just stops. It does not give any room for us to see the main character. So there should be an easy way to do it too after collectible is grabbed. Size down tutorial text. Okay, here we are. This is the correct place, I guess. After collectible grabbed, if the size down tutorial text is true, if this, yes, if it is true, it goes here, the green one, yes. And let's find the welcome balloon. Mine's 25. let's set this minus 25 to minus 200. New game, find my save manager, go to chapter 2, find the app here, app there, and go next. Here I am, time skilled 2, please read and digest. Let's recheck this welcome balloon. Yes, it's minus 200, but it should be around minus, yeah, minus 150, minus 170. How about now? This is better. Let's try this value. Save manager, go to the chapter 2, app, set scale to 9. Okay, that's not bad. Successfully. Okay, perfect. I like it and it's good enough for me. So let's continue to chapter 3 GUI. Chapter 3 GUI. And where is my to-do list? Yes, I can also remove that part. Also, I do not need chapter 1 GUI anymore. And chapter 2 GUI. So you are here. Where is my chapter 3 GUI? Let's start copying and pasting this switch statement from here to there. Also remove this blackboard because I will not need this anymore. And let's start with GUI states, current GUI states. These are my GUI states. Just comment out these sections. Zoom out hungry. Oh, 2 when protein collected, 2 when fat collected, 2 when carbs collected. Also just copy and paste these guys, these methods into here, and to see the final effects in here. So I'm missing, it looks like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something because it gave me an error. Okay, so far so good. It has these blackboard errors. Also, I wanted this on enable section. It's not on disable, but on enable in here. And where are you? Oh, what did I decided when I do this in chapter 1 GUI? Tutorial, remove all listeners. Tutorial and remove all. Okay, here you are. Remove all listeners on disable. Okay, so far so good. I also needed to, where are you? I also needed an updates. This updates loop. Yes, I also needed this section inside chapter 3 GUI. And let's start removing these blackboard sections. Change GUI state to is player active. Okay. Change GUI state to protein collected. This is also a good one. Change GUI state to player active. It's also good. It's also nice. Fat collected. Change GUI state to fat collected. Change GUI state to carbs collected. I do not need these things anymore. I do not want to change GUI state to negative. To chapter and negative. And also change GUI state to positive. Chapter and positive. Yes. I only had these lines of code, these lines of sections which gives me errors. And also change GUI state to what? To chapter welcome. Chapter and positive. I do not need this. Change GUI state to is player active. Perfect. Do not need that. Okay. Load tutorial text. I remember that I had issues in here. So how about find my void load tutorial text. Here you are. Just copy and paste till here, and after that copy and paste till here. Only change this to 3 and change this wish text number to 7. Comment out this section. Disable repeat. Comment out this section altogether. Increase wish text number by 1. This debug log, remove that debug log, remove that section. I just want to use this, I want to use that, and so far so good. It looks like disable repeats. I do not want any disable repeats over here. So chapter 1 carbon need chapter 3, because this is chapter 3 GUI. Is there something related to chapter 2? No. Chapter 1? No. Chapter 3? Yes. So how about give it a try? But before that I needed to... Okay, let's try it where we left off, and let's try it with a play, new game. Go to the app, set it to 9, find this save manager, your save file, and go to chapter 3. Okay, but there's something, it looks like something is wrong in here, because this is not the correct camera angle for chapter 3. This is the correct camera angle for chapter 4, but this chapter 3 has a problem. So where is this chapter 3 GUI? Chapter 3 GUI is around here, and okay, it's already missing. Components, remove components. Yes, right now I do not have any camera for chapter 3. And where is my camera on start? Yes, okay, this camera on start when I press new game, camera in chapter 1 and chapter 2. And how about save manager, fresh file list, this is chapter 3, and let's see. Okay, the camera is still in. Okay, camera state in chapter 3. Chapter 3. And it is just called from chapter state machine. And when this chapter state machine is called, currently never, because probably I forgot to add any reference for this for the save file. Let's find our save manager. Go to our save manager, load and apply section, and load chapter state manager states. And I will probably need this file name. Let's generate a method in here. So if file name contains chapter 1, then find our chapter state manager, or just find chapter state manager at the beginning. Chapter state manager equals find object of type chapter state manager true. Yes, and then chapter state manager change camera state. No, there is chapter state manager change camera state. Right, change camera state to what? On chapter 1 face. Change camera state to on to okay, where are you? There is the save manager. Chapter state manager dot chapter state dot chapter 1. How about now? And let's do this for 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, how about now? New game, save manager, refresh file list, go to chapter 3. Okay, something is wrong. And let's just stop here, and let's try to solve this on tomorrow morning. And let's try to solve this issue on tomorrow, because it looks like something is wrong with it. Maybe I just try to new game and refresh file list and go to chapter 3. No, not a chance. Load chapter state manager is not working. And where is my to-do list? Is not working. Also chapter 3 GUI should be checked. And save it. And that's all for today, and hope to see you tomorrow, and have a nice day. Bye.